Hello guys, so today we are going to see the demonstration of mechanical based project Footstep power generation using rock and pinion. So here in the video you can see a mechanical model with spring mechanism. This is the alternate to make a renewable energy. The main idea of this project is to generate a power using footsteps. We can utilize this project in railway stations or any other public places so that we can generate a power supply using the footsteps. We use a rack to transfer power from human footsteps to a gear which is attached to a shaft. The power is then transferred to another gear through a gear based arrangements. Now from these gear arrangements, whenever the footstep was placed above this mechanism, the power was generated. So multiple footstep power generators can be used to increase the yield of power which is to be generated. So the main concept of our proposed system uses rack and pinion arrangement along with gears and spring based arrangement to generate power from footsteps. So this is a mechanical based project developed by one of our trained students. If you required this type of projects, you can contact us. Thanks for watching. Thank you.